Welcome back. Today we're gonna make the spawn points a bit more interesting. I just deleted the spawn point and I just made a hole right here. There's nothing more in it, just a few walls. And I took the spawn trigger away. I changed nothing. So you can do that if you want. Or you can just change the stuff that's already in there. Let's move on. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make aliens climb over railings into the field, battlefield, map, whatever. So that's why I made this hole. First of all, you're gonna need a railing, of course. So that's an entity. Make an entity. Call it prop. Static. Sorry. Yeah. World model source for railing. Railing. Now pick the railing you want. I think I'll go for this one. That's mall balcony railing. Mall. Yes, a mall balcony railing. And just place it on the edge. Not fully on the edge, by the way. Just not on the edge. Like this. Make sure the railings look a bit nice. So not too far away, but also not like this half a railing sticking out like this. This might be a bit annoying to do, but it's well worth it. So make a new entity. Oh, okay, wrong. And call it ASW spawner. So this one we're gonna make the alien spawn. And now we will have to rotate it so it's facing away from the railing. It's going to face to where it has to climb to. So an easy way to see where it's looking at is by going into a 2D view, the top view, and looking at the yellow line here. So rotate it so the yellow line is pointing to where you want to climb to, and put it just next to the railing, a bit the same distance as the railing is to the edge, and make sure it's really perfect. It has to be perfectly vertical. So you can do that by clicking here at angles and just changing it a bit if you're not sure if it's correctly done. So now we're gonna name it railing spawner. Apply. You see here it's got railing spawner right now. Allow spawn if marines on there. Yes. Start burrowed. Yes. Unburrow idle activity. That is climb off rail idle. Unburrow activity is act climb off rail underscore 52. Check if spawn point is clear. No. And spawner state wait for inputs. Press apply and copy it a few times. It's a bit much to the left. That. Make sure not to put them in the gap between the two railings. Might look a bit weird. So make a trigger brush and put it wherever you want the aliens to spawn when you walk through. Just gonna put them here. One big block, like that. Let's see what this should do. Press enter, Control T, and call it trigger once. Name, railing, spawner, trigger. You can change the names, by the way. I'm just choosing these. It's easier for me. Right, inputs. Add my output named onTrigger, entities named railing spawner. Via this input, start spawning. Apply. And we have working alien spawns. Also, as you can see, I have not made a floor here, so I'm gonna create the effect that the hole seems to be very deep. So we're gonna need a block light texture and make it just a bit above the bottom of the hole. This will create the illusion that it's very deep, because block light will obviously block the light from going any further. And it blurs out a bit, so that's why you gotta do it a bit above the edge. So we have our working spawns. Save it and go ahead and test it.